vast number of startups don't work out. 80, 90% sometimes. It's mostly the business side that is weak. They didn't know how to monetize it. They didn't know how to market it. So really, Startly is a digital mentor for early stage startups.
In this series, we explore real bubble apps with the founders and developers who built them. Today, I'm interviewing Ajay Batra, solo founder of Startly, a digital hub for entrepreneurs and startups who need guidance, assessments, mentorship, or even co-founders and investors. This is Bubble App Tours. Let's take a closer look at Startly.
I'm Ajay Batra. I am based in New Delhi, India, and I am the founder of Startly.in, which is a hub for ensuring startup success.
Is this something that you have been building on the side next to maybe another startup, or is this what you're now doing full time?
My personal experience is in technology, management. I've also been an angel investor and a startup mentor for over a decade now. And that actually is the reason why Startly.in was created. As I work with my own startups and I worked with many other founders, I saw a gap. And the gap really is in the startups getting clear guidance or direction in the early stages. Now, here's the irony. The Indian startup ecosystem has really boomed in the last 10 odd years. So many incubators, many mentors. Yet, an average startup founder is rather confused, often because he or she has more choices than they know what to do with. I was bombarded with the same kind of questions over and over again for the last few years. Is my idea good enough? How do I really convert this idea into a business that generates revenues? Am I ready to raise funds? So finding the right people, these could be co-founders, or these could even be mentors who could guide. So really, Startly is a digital mentor for early stage startups. There's so many other tools available. 2 points. One, a lot of them are US centric. So there are very few India first, if you will, attention on these support and tools. Two, they're very fragmented. So my intent initially was to bring it together largely for Indian founders. Now I must share with you, I've got 3,500 plus users today, and it's all organic. About 70 odd are global founders from all parts. Actually, Africa, I'm getting a lot of interest, some Europe, some US, some Far East as well. The intent certainly was to plug this gap in the Indian startup support system, but now my thinking is evolving and I'm wondering perhaps there are other countries who will need a similar support system.
Awesome. Let's go ahead and take a look. Can you show us a little bit about what the base user experience looks like with Startly?
Sure. So we're right now on the homepage. So we as a platform, as an ecosystem, offer a lot of things, but our focus really is these 4 pillars that you see. And those are the 3 kind of key users. Of course, founders are our primary users. And then those who want to join existing startups as potential co-founders and mentors/investors. You'll get a sense of a few founders who've recently joined the last 10 odd you'll see here. You'll also see a few potential co-founders who've joined the platform. This is a running list, of course, keeps getting updated. And you will, of course, see mentors here as well who are, now as you notice, they are based different places and bring different specializations. Essentially, one signs up very quick 2-minute profile, and then you're in business.
So the idea is that when you sign up for the platform, you can actually select a role for yourself to designate whether you are a founder who is looking for mentorship or whether you are a mentor who is looking to offer that support.
Sure. So when you sign up for the first time, you have 3 options: startup founder, potential co-founder, or a mentor. This account is where I've signed in as a founder. And when I signed in, I mentioned a few things like the name of my startup, Mediband here, my location. This one shows London. You could be anywhere. And a little bit about the startup. I also, of course, have indicated what stage I'm in the ideation stage. I'm a health tech startup. Now, this is really where I mentioned Startly, the digital mentor, digital guide, if you will. So this is where the founders really start seeing the power of the platform. Folks, you may or may not know that a vast number of startups around the world, applies to India too, don't work out. 80, 90% sometimes. If one looks at the reasons for high startup mortality rates, it's mostly the business side that is weak. They were building something without knowing who would really need it. They were building something that actually didn't quite have that much use in the hands of the customers. They didn't know how to monetize it. They didn't know how to market it. They didn't have the right team to execute. So those are really the pain points for a vast number of startups who struggle. Hence, Startly focuses on those very issues. This tool here, you take the self-assessment, you get a report. If you see, this is a report that came out from this startup who was wondering whether they're ready to raise or not. And obviously, they're not quite there yet. 54% is on the lower side. But it's not just a number, right? We break it down and say, okay, what does it mean? So your marketing is good, but your product is actually kind of low here. You're okay on the money and the team side, but looks like this, at least this particular startup has a lot of product issues. Some things that are working well, and then AI generated suggestions, very concrete, practical suggestions, what they can do. And again, from AI, amongst all the data that, of course, it was an assessment. So it solicited all the data from the founder. And then it summarized key flags that investors will be looking for that they need to be fixed before you can approach investors. So this is one state. And of course, you do that and go back to your dashboard. And here's the second tool. Okay, now let's say you're not 54. Let's say you are 84% ready. And then you actually put together a pitch deck and say, hey, can I now share the pitch deck with the investors? Does it kind of convey my story? So there's actually an AI system we've developed. And if you can see here, you essentially upload your pitch deck. So you upload the PDF of your pitch deck. The analysis starts. And this is where I'm making API calls to Claude. And it's doing its magic in the back end. So here we are. So I uploaded the pitch deck. It's figured out what the business is all about. What's the big suggestion, number 1, 2, 3, and of course the big red flags that the investors may have on the pitch deck. And then it's up to the founder to take some of these next steps. Including, by the way, if you have to find people who are experts in this, they can find consultants.
If I came onto this platform and I went through these analyses and I got really valuable information that I wanted, and now I was at a point where I was like, I really need a mentor or I really need a co-founder, where would I go in the app to start exploring the more communal aspect?
So there's two sides. Okay, initially I had founders who could actually, startup founders who would actually reach out to mentors and co-founders directly. And the feedback I got was it's very overwhelming. We don't have the time to pursue co-founders. However, the interest from the other side was still very high. So the point I'm making is somebody who wants to join a startup as a co-founder or somebody who wants to mentor a startup, they are willing to put the effort in to find the right founder. So what you see now, as a founder, all you have to do is say, hey, what kind of co-founder am I looking for? So I'm looking for somebody who can do AI, maybe digital marketing, whatever. That's all I need to say and save it. Similarly for mentors, when somebody signs in as a co-founder, they can see what my needs are and find a match and reach out.
And has that process been working well since you made that change?
Yes.
People are getting contacted from people who are like, hey, I saw your startup on Startly and it looked interesting. I think I can help in this way.
Yes, the traffic has definitely increased, and I track it in the back end. So the number of conversations and reach outs from both co-founders and mentors has gone up.
That's exciting.
Yeah,
That's
because also, see, over time, the variety of founders is also improved, right? So this is the homepage for someone who is signed up as an aspiring co-founder. And when they log in, they get to see all kinds of startups out there looking for co-founders. Now, obviously, some are looking for co-founders in technology, some in business, some in operations. So it depends on what I want to do. I'm assuming I want to do, my forte is AI. So I want to see who out there is looking for AI-based co-founder. And there's a bunch of them. If I like what somebody's doing, and I'm just taking an example here, looks like they're doing something around WhatsApp Business API. Sounds interesting. All I need to do is hit this button. And my interest in this founder has been conveyed to that startup founder directly. There's an email that's gone out and which has connected the two of them, and then now they can take it on their own. When someone signs up as a mentor, they have a pretty similar screen. They also have startups, and they can also just at the press of a button reach out and say, hey, it's cool what you're doing. Do you think we could talk about a mentoring relationship?
Just to wrap up, what is next for Startly going forward?
The growth of Startly so far has been 100% organic. Me talking about it at incubators, workshops, conferences, LinkedIn posts, a little bit of Instagram, friends telling friends. So the growth has been good, but I think it can be a more rapid growth. So I need to do a little bit more proactive, if you will, marketing and outreach in India. I think there's a lot of potential. This is just the tip of the iceberg. I want to restart reaching out not just to the Indian users, but start sending some messages globally as well, and just reaching out to some incubators and organizations and startup bodies around the world and see if they have an interest in bringing their startups over. I've been talking to the founders and they've been giving great feedback. I did get feedback earlier that my tools were very algorithmic and they wanted a little more depth, and which is why I went to AI. So that feedback came. Of late, there is more positive feedback. In fact, I've doubled the founder base in the last 4 odd months.
That's fantastic. If there was someone out there who was a founder who is experiencing exactly the pain points that you are solving here, who hasn't heard about Startly, what is something that you would want them to know?
Come to Startly if you want an objective feedback or advice on your startup's journey. Use the tools to clarify your own thinking. Often founder looking for validation perspective. This is a great outside in view of your startup. Find the people who can augment that thinking through mentors, co-founders. So my message is, come here if you want clarity, if you want direction, and you want people who are as excited as you are about what you're doing.
Thank you so much for walking me through Startly. I'm really excited to hear more about where it goes, and congratulations on being part of the Launch Lab.
Thank you, Abhinav. Great talking to you. And thanks to everyone at Bubble. This journey honestly would not have been possible given that I have not been a coder for over 30 years. It really helped revive a lot of my interest and my passion around building something that's useful to the world. So thank you to everyone at Bubble.
Absolutely. I'll be happy to pass that along to the team. You said you'd been bubbling for a few years before this, right?
So I started with Bubble maybe about 2.5, 3 years ago, but just hobby stuff. Real app was Startly, which is about a year plus into it now.
And are you the sole founder and employee of Startly? Do you have a co-founder or a team or anything?
No, I'm the only one. And like I said earlier, I mentor startups, I do workshops, I do investing. So I'm engaged with the real world of startups, and that helps me bring a sense of realism, if you will, into Startly. And I take that learning, of course, from Startly back to my startup community. So I continue to engage with startups as a mentor for sure.
Perfect. Thanks so much. And again, congratulations.
Thank you. Thank you for being here.
To learn more about the app we toured, check out the links in the description. And if you'd like to be considered for a featured showcase story, video interview, or for our full suite of Launch Lab services, don't forget to check out the link to our story form in the description to apply. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, thanks for watching.